Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this Tamiya MB-01 chassis with the Alfa Romeo body. Let's get started. Alright, so we have this Tamiya flyer here. It is for spare parts and hop-up options. This tree looks like it has the body post. We have the upper and lower front and rear arms. Those look like they're the skid plates. And here is the Alfa Romeo body. It's very small. Very cool. Let's see what this is. These are the damper parts. Here's some turnbuckle ends, and I believe these two are for the battery tray, kind of the clamps that close each end of the battery tray. Alright, so this is the Hobbywing 1060 ESC that comes with the kit. Let's see what's in this bag. Alright, let's see. We have the front grille of the Alfa Romeo. Very cool. I think side mirrors are there as well. We have the wheels. I think I'm going to paint these. I think I want these a little bit shinier, a little bit less looking like plastic. Here are the tires. These are treaded tires. Very cool. This tree here contains, I see the uprights, I see the shock towers, and I believe there's some parts of the bulkhead here as well. I also see the wheel nuts. These are going to be the outdrives and the wheel axles. And this is going to be the two-piece tub chassis. Let's grab this big one here. And this is going to be part of the gearbox. I believe this is part of the chassis. Some of the gearbox covers. And this is the servo mount, which I'm not a big fan of because it flexes a lot. I also see the steering arms right there. Alright. Here's the disclaimers. You get one for every Tamiya RC kit. Here's the M chassis manual. That's specific to this Alfa Romeo. I like these because it contains information about the bodies, how to put it together, what colors they recommend, and how the livery is applied. Alright, what's this? So this chassis, the MB-01, can be set up different ways. You can have the short, medium, or long wheelbase. You can also have it as a mid-motor rear wheel drive or a front motor front wheel drive configuration, and this shows you how to change from one to the other. These are the decals. Unfortunately, they are not pre-cut, and that's the window mask. Alright, let's see. There's always an antenna tube in here. Inside this bag there's going to be the Tamiya tin can motor. It's not the torque tune or the sport tune, it's just a plain tin can. This bag contains the servo saver, and I believe there's a second one here. Yep, two of the same thing. You have this bag which contains the differential. That's the body. That's the spur gear, and this is just parts of the diff itself. And this is the A tree. It has this padding right here, which is for the battery tray. Got a tube of grease, some plastic bushings, some screws, the motor plate. I see the brass bearings as well. So that's the A parts bag. The B parts bag contains some more plastic bushings, some screws, and the cross wrench and springs. Very cool. The C parts bag has a double-sided tape, has some zip ties, some more screws. I see the wheel nuts here, and some ball ends right there. And of course, there are some body pins. So that's everything that's inside the Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA MB-01 chassis. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're watching this during the premiere, I'm going to be streaming this tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. Pacific. If you're watching on the VOD, I'm going to link the video right here. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.